So in this video, I want to show you guys how to take a website and kind of make it look like an app on your phone, how it would look on your phone. Um, what do I mean by that? Like this. So I double click this Walmart and it pops up here, and it shows you, and it makes it look like what it would look like on your phone. So what will you need for this? First off, you definitely need Google Chrome. I'm showing you how this will work on Windows 10, but this should also work on a Chromebook and a Mac computer. If you guys have those computers, try this method out and let me know if this works and put it down in the comments. So go into Google Chrome and you're going to type in any website. Well, I already made this for Walmart, so we're going to use Target. So target.com. Boom. Now, that little window that popped up actually is Google Chrome and what they call a Chrome website shortcut or a Google Chrome shortcut. But it removes the address bar here and the bookmarks bar here. If you guys don't see the bookmarks bar, you definitely need to show it for you to be able to do this. Click on this little menu here, click on bookmarks, and then click show bookmarks bar. Once that's checked off, it should show up. Now that we're on Target, you can try any website. Newer websites have this auto adjust feature on it, so that it will adjust to the size of your window. So that's where it made mine a little bit smaller. That's actually the website for Walmart, but because I have so small, it actually makes it look compact like a phone, what a phone would look like. And Target is another website that will make it look like that. You can do this setup on any website, but depending on how updated and how this updated the website is, it may not auto adjust for you guys. But this method would remove at least the address bar and the bookmarks bar if you guys didn't want that. If I were to minimize this to a smaller window, as you guys can see, the website kind of adjusted itself to make it the size of my window. But if I were to, like, let's say, make this smaller here, as you guys can see, it adjusted itself. And it kind of looks like a phone a little bit. But again, the bookmarks bar is here and the address bar is right here. So we're going to maximize that again. Now that you're on your website, click the three little dots, go to More Tools, create a shortcut, and then you can leave it the way it is, but I'm going to rename it for myself, and we're just going to name it Target. Check off Open as Window. So you click that once, make sure there's a little check here, and then click Create. So as you guys can see, that popped up here. It kind of popped the tab out of the window and made it a separate window. And now it kind of looks like a phone. It looks like how a phone would look like. And then you can minimize that. I can open Walmart here. And as you guys can see here, I have Walmart here. I have Facebook here. That's the same thing. And that will work the same way as well. But this will be perfect. So if you like shopping, especially since it's kind of holiday times right now, so you can kind of scroll through both and try to see if you find the best deals. And you can also do this to make it a little bit easier for if you're working and all that. Try that way. So yeah. So as you guys can see here, there are two ways to access that pop-up window. Once you have the bookmarks bar open up here, you'll see the apps button here, which it already brought me to. But if you click on apps, it'll bring you here. And this is where you can see all your apps. They're very much just links to the website or a app form of the website, depending on what page it is. So I click on here, and then you guys can see when I created the shortcut, it put a little icon here and it put Target right here. So if I click it once, it's going to pop up the window here. But you don't need Google Chrome and the apps page right here to access it. Once you create that open as a window option, it actually saves a little shortcut here on your desktop. So all you need to do is just double click here and it pops up Target. So yeah, that's that. That's how you do that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. But definitely check my social media. I'm on my social media more, so I do have a Facebook and an Instagram. So if you guys have any questions, try going on there first. I probably will reply faster to that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.